May it be fried, boiled, or roasted as chips or fries at some point in your life. You must have probably eaten a potato. Delicious for sure, but potatoes are much more significant in the history. Potato is known by different names in different languages, such as aloo in Hindi, patata in Marathi, and patata in Greek. Potato is known by different names in these different languages. The potato is a root vegetable native to the Americas, a stretchy tuber of the plant Solanum tuberosum, wild potato species originating in the modern-day Peru in the South America. Potato contains proteins, carbohydrates, essential fats, etc., which makes it a nutritious food. It was grown by the people of Peru about 8 to 10,000 years from now in the Inca civilization. Who succeeded the people of Inca civilization introduced potatoes to Europe. At the time when potatoes were just introduced in Europe, the people over there did not like the taste of it, so they just used the plant as a decorative element in their houses. The potatoes, when introduced in Europe, were largely consumed by the common, middle, and the lower class groups, as it was available easily at cheaper rates and its nutritious properties. According to the data of 2018, the production of potatoes in the world is given here. During the millennia of selective breeding, there are over 5,000 different species of potatoes. 99% are cultivated even today, which originated from the South America. Potatoes was introduced to India by the Portuguese sailors who came to India for trade. But potatoes mainly spread as a staple food during the British rule. The first Governor General of India, Warren Hastings, was the first one to cultivate potato in India on a large scale. Let's have a look on some mouth-watering foods made with potatoes. Number 1. French fries. French fries was invented just before the start of the French Revolution. The street vendors of Pont-Neuf-Bridge in Paris invented the French fry. Potato chips was invented in Sargasso Springs, New York by the chef of Moon's Lake House. It is baked or fried and added with the spices to make it tastier. Other ways of consumption of potatoes is by eating them by boiling or just roasting and adding some spices to it, or make Indian foods such as aloo ke parathas, samosas, vada pav and much more. If you find this video interesting, then like it, subscribe and press the bell icon.